Good morning everyone. Today I am discuss about yoga. So first of all, history of yoga. The history of yoga is indeed very old. Yoga was originated in India. The available evidence show that history of yoga is related to the Indus Valley civilization. Patanjali also wrote about yoga in 147 BC. So first mention in yoga in Rig Veda, 5000 years ago. Yoga 5000 years ago. Vedic period and Rig Veda. So history, short history of yoga is clear. Indus Valley civilization. Yoga originated in India. Yoga word yog is derived from a Sanskrit word use. Use means unite or join. So योग किस वर्ड से है? संस्कृत वर्ड से. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ use. Use meaning is unite or join. So yoga is the unification of Atma with Paramatma. It also means the unification of our physical, mental, intellectual and spiritual aspects of human being. Checking the impulses of mind is yoga. His is given to definition is Patanjali. I will repeat. Checking the impulses of mind is yoga. Is given definition is Patanjali. So it is a universal truth today that modern age is the age of stress, tension, irritation. So nowadays most of the people have not been leading a happy with others and a truthful life. For such people are money is everything. So good health is the right of every individual, every human being. Good health. But this right depends on individual, social and environmental factors. Along with environmental or social factors to large extent. So yoga is one of the most powerful drugless system of treatment. हम कह सकते हैं कि योगा इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल ड्रगलेस सिस्टम. बिना दवाई के बहुत सारे उपचार हम कर सकते हैं. ड्रगलेस सिस्टम ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स डिजीजेस. Yoga can be adopted as lifestyle for promoting our physical and mental health. It introduced at the school level would help to include healthy habits and lifestyle to achieve our good health. So many importance of yoga need an importance of yoga point by point I will be discuss. First point, योगा फिजिकल प्योरिटी, शारीरिक शुद्धता. योगा एलिमेंट्स में हम पढ़ेंगे. दिस इज द टोटल 8 एलिमेंट्स. बाद में हम दूसरे क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारण, ध्यान और समाधि. यम में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट जो योगा है इससे रिलेटेड है आपका फिजिकल प्योरिटी. सेकेंड, क्योर एंड prevention from disease, reduce mental tension, mental harassment, beautification of body. योग के थ्रू आप बॉडी को ब्यूटी आप रख सकते हैं. तो ब्यूटिफिकेशन ऑफ बॉडी, प्रोवाइड रिलैक्स आप बॉडी रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं योग के थ्रू. कीप्स द करेक्ट पोस्चर ऑफ बॉडी. Many postural deformities cure the corrective आसन. आसन्स में आप जाएंगे. There are 3 types आसन: corrective आसन, relaxative आसन and different types of आसन. So corrective आसन cure the correct postural deformities. Bhujangasana, धनुरासन, दिस इज द करेक्टिव आसन, थ्रू क्योर द corrective postural deformities, cure. So yoga can be promoted easily spiritual development, increase flexibility, reduce obesity, improves health, enhance moral and ethical value. So yoga is very important for all age group, not for student, not for women. So yoga is useful for all age group, not for present but also is for your future life. So now discuss इंटरनेशनल योगा डे. बहुत पहले से ये नहीं हुआ है, जस्ट अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है कुछ वर्ष पहले. किसके द्वारा, कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, आई विल बी डिस्कस. इंटरनेशनल योगा डे. फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल योगा डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड 21 June 2015. First International Yoga Day started 21st June 2015. 21st June celebrated as International Yoga Day by United Nations. किसके द्वारा घोषित किया गया, यूनाइटेड नेशन, एट 69 सेशन असेंबली में ऑफ जनरल असेंबली इन न्यूयॉर्क ऑन 27 September 2014. PM of India Narendra Modi argued to the need to celebrate International Yoga Day. Why? For the harmony and peace in the world. So first International Yoga Day हम every year 21 June सेलिब्रेट. तो इंडिया का हमारा बहुत बड़ा दिन है जिसको यूनाइटेड नेशन ने 21 जून को इंटरनेशनल योगा डे घोषित किया. थैंक यू.